There's something strange you'll notice. The people who are actually wealthy rarely look like it. No flashy cars, no oversized homes, no constant posts about success. And that's not a coincidence. That's a strategy. Because real wealth doesn't try to be seen. It grows quietly, while everyone else is busy proving something. Most people confuse looking rich with being rich. They upgrade their lifestyle the moment they earn more. They buy things to signal success, not to build it. But the people who actually build wealth, they do the opposite. They stay invisible. They stay disciplined. And they let time do the work. Here's the part nobody talks about. The moment people know you have money, your life changes. Expectations appear. Pressure builds. You're expected to spend more, to contribute more, to live at a higher level. And slowly, you stop making decisions for yourself and start making them for others. Visibility creates noise, comparison, judgment, unspoken expectations. And that noise leads to one thing: bad financial decisions. Because now you're not optimizing for wealth. You're optimizing for perception. But when your financial life stays private, something powerful happens. You remove the audience. And when there's no audience, there's no performance. No pressure, no comparisons, no expectations, just control. And control is the foundation of wealth. So the question becomes, how do you actually build wealth without anyone noticing? It starts with removing decisions. Every day, your brain makes hundreds of choices. By the time you deal with money, you're mentally exhausted. And when that happens, you choose comfort over discipline. So instead, you automate everything. Money moves the moment you get paid. Before you see it. Before you touch it. And just like that, saving becomes automatic. Next, you stop talking about money. No income discussions, no flexing wins, no revealing numbers. Because every time you share, you create expectations. And expectations cost money. Then you control your lifestyle. You don't upgrade every time your income increases. You freeze your lifestyle and redirect the difference. Because wealth isn't built from big wins. It's built from small gaps. The gap between what you earn and what you spend. You avoid the biggest traps: expensive homes, car payments, things that look impressive, but quietly destroy your cash flow. Instead, you stay under your means and invest the difference. And when it comes to investing, you keep it boring. No hype, no gambling, no chasing trends, just consistency. Because boring compounds, and compounding builds wealth. Then you build income, quietly. Side income, dividends, assets that pay you back. Not for attention, but for freedom. And most importantly, you stay consistent. Because wealth doesn't come from intensity. It comes from repetition. Doing the same smart thing over and over again. Here's the truth most people never realize. Wealth isn't something you show. It's something you build in silence. And if you do it right, 10 years from now, you won't look rich, but you'll have something far more powerful: freedom.